Hi everyone, it's Christina from Christina's Art Corner. Today we're going to do the final part of this romantic country double page spread from the second tale by Eriy. And I'm going to go in with some metallic watercolors. I'm going to use Coliro and some sparkling magical watercolors from Etsy and Renaissance watercolors from Etsy. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I went ahead and finished, just so that we can recap real quick. I finished this building here in Color pencils. I'll just give you a little close-up with the veggies. And then I finished the bottom area here and gave some highlights on the stones. And so we have, I also finished this building over here, made it gray. And then I went in and just shaded the bookends with a Derwent drawing pencil. And so we've got cauldrons, books, and various little items that we need to finish up. All right. And then, oh, I also did the ducky. And I gave him a blue little bow to match the building. All right. So let's pick some colors and see what we want to put in here for these books. Have a super sparkling one there. And then I have all of these pretty colors. Now, since I have an orange and yellow building, I could do the books any colors, really. Let's see what I have in here. Yeah, here's a lot of good ones too. I think I'll probably mainly use this one. Let me go ahead and get them all watered like plants so that they can sit and marinate. And then we have a couple of color shifting that we may want to use. Could use this Shaftesbury on these little elements here. Let that one sit. And then here on the Renaissance Advent favorites, see, I might want to use this here in the teal. All right. And real quick, I'm just going to get these activated a little bit and then put another layer of water on each. There, that one's good. Some of them take a little longer to activate if they have a lot of glitter in them. Okay, let's start out with these. And I'm going to do the books. I gotta tilt a little bit. Okay. I think I'm definitely going to need a smaller brush. Let's try this one. Yeah. Okay. Might need to turn up the brightness on this light a little bit, just so that I can see. These are such pretty colors. I'm so excited to be finishing this. Oh my gosh. I know I hit you with a lot of parts to this color along. Needed some breaks in between. My shoulder and neck were giving me problems, so I needed a rest in between a couple days. And I know that's a pain when you're wanting to see someone's finished page. So I appreciate those of you who watch it. Hopefully it's been fun for you, as it has been for me, doing this with you. Probably go in with some gel pen when it's finished up so I can get some details in on the spines. Some sparkly books. Okay, I have this light purple. Let's see what we can put that. Okay, here we are. I think we're finished. I could probably fiddle a little more with it, but I don't think I will. I think you got to know when to stop. So we used polychromos, Prismacolors, and Color. And I have to say that I enjoyed using the Color the best in this book. They just blended really well, and it was so easy to blend them, and most of the time I didn't have to use a blender, whereas I did with the Prismacolors, and the polychromos really hurt my arm putting those on there. Used a bunch of different gel pens and some watercolors, metallic watercolors, so I think that it's turned out nice. And I'll just get you in here. Maybe I will turn on this bright light so that you can see all the metallics a little better. Cauldrons turned out really cute, and the books, I like how those turned out. The bottles, the owl house, and the brooms. They've got some glitter and things on them in places. I like how the ground turned out too, with the stones drawn in. And the flags are super shiny, if you can see. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this series of 6 different parts to this book. I probably will wait a while till I do a double-page spread color along. But I'll be happy to do 1-page color alongs and hopefully just have 1 or 2 parts moving forward. But I think this was a fun challenge for October and Halloween. And I really, really love this book. And this is the first page that I double-page spread, or page at all, that I will have done in this book. So I'm super, super happy with it. And like I said, I hope that you all enjoyed it too. And I'll see you in the next one. Leave any comments below whether you like it, dislike it, think I should have done something different. But yeah, I'll see if I can just get you in a little closer so you can see some of the details on the outfits. And up here, but yeah, we also used the Neocolor. That was the first one, the Neocolor IIs, and then I put polychromos over the top for the background. See if we can get those bottle contents to show up. So pleased that it's finished. And again, I hope you all enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna have a lot of fun videos in November, and I'll see you all in the next one. You all take care. Bye-bye, and happy Halloween.